going to be giving my baby a bath. So you will see fake private parts. Well, don't worry. If you don't want to see the fake private parts, even if you're a boy, just click out the video now. Like, let's get started. Okay. I got the baby. So I'm going to actually get this a little more wet. Okay. Now I'm going to take some soap. And then I'm going to rinse and rinse and get all the soapies. Get all the soapies. Get all the soapy. I will be getting a silicone doll, by the way, so, yeah. Okay.
The baby is dirty.
I know it. So I'm gonna try to get that right there off of it. It probably won't come off. It won't. Okay. So I'm gonna wash my baby. Wash my baby. Wash the baby. Oh!
Wash under its armpits.
Raise up the arms. And the wash the armpits.
Break its arm and then wash its armpits.
Oh, he's a baby. Now I'm going to say, look, watch. Oh. Now we're going to do the armpit. Okay, I'm not going to these armpits. Oh, crap it. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle these on there. And then we have to use little conditioners and soapies to wash its little hairies.
It doesn't need conditioner.
I'm just playing. Now we're going to wash its hair. We're going to wash its hair. I feel something goopy over there. I feel something weird. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to wash the back side of it. Alrighty, now time to wash the back side of it. Oh my God!
I think your baby had a little accident.
I did. Oh no.
Ew, why are you touching it?
Oh no. Now we have to.
That's baby poop right there.
Yeah.
Baby doll's poop.
It's my baby, so I'm gonna have to pick it up. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to set it back down.
You little devil child pooping everywhere.
Okay, so we're gonna have to wash the back side of it now.
You might want to run some hot water.
Oh God. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna need you know what? I'm gonna have to scrape it off.
Put his butt under there.
Oh, this is disgusting. These little babies are full of poop surprises. I'll say that much. They are full of poop surprises.
Here, use this rag.
I can't believe it. Why did it have to do that?
Right when we were taking the bath video, too.
For real. You probably think it doesn't look like it poops. It's best not spread. Well, let me tell you something. It poops. It really does poop. Ah! Anything else underneath there? Okay, nope. So I guess we're gonna still have to wash it. Oh, here thing needs to be washed.
Just lay it down.
You know what? I'm sorry, guys. Why did it have to freaking crap on itself? I'm actually gonna see because it's real. It looks real. It's like one of these kind of like almost. It's a silicone doll, but
It's a vinyl.
it's a vinyl silicone doll. The vinyls are hard, but they can still poop. So get that bug rag. Get that bug rag.
Ew.
My brother's being retarded. He's just mad because I have to get to do stuff. Okay.
Okay, now time to rinse it off and dry it, and then we'll go dress it. So.
It doesn't have any clothes.
Alright, we'll be back.
Alright. So we just had got her out of the bath. And she pooped. She's still dirty. Not a stain. Because she has some things her sisters and brother has done. Alright. Next I'll be making another video. I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry. I had to got some lotion. I'm gonna squirt it on my hand. She put lotion. Okay. I just got done putting lotion on it, so I'll be back when I have my clothes ready.
So I got her pants on her, and now I'm gonna put her shirt on.
Okay, well, and I hope y'all like the video. That's beautiful. She's really beautiful, and I will be doing another video on this all over here. So I love y'all, and bye, and peace.